Hello everyone and welcome back to another Easy Way video where I'm going to teach you how to fix easy anti-cheat is not installed in Fortnite. So what do we have to do? We have to go to the Epic Games and we have to find the Fortnite scrolling down. Then you have to press these three dots and go to Manage. So once you're here in Manage, you have to go to Installation and you have to press this Open Install Location icon. So you press it and then you have to press Fortnite Game, binaries, Win64, and go to Easy Anti-Cheat. So here you will find Easy Anti-Cheat EOOs setup. You will double click and it will begin to install the Easy Anti-Cheat again. When it finishes, you have to restart your PC, but if this was not enough, you have to go back to Epic Games in the same option that we were, and we have to select verify files. This can take very long depending on your connection and your disk speed, so be patient, and if this video was useful for you, please comment, share, like, subscribe, and see you next time. Goodbye, Easy Way.